Maybe you hadn't thought of this before. It actually is important to know which way the wind blows. So, I figured it'd be a good idea to know what it feels like to be a plant, just to explain the dynamics. Damn, my job sucks. Air circulation is an important aspect of making sure your plants all grow at the same rate and produce the same yield. If you can get this right, then all your plants will need the same amount of water and food, which makes your job as a grower quite a bit simpler. Use a ventilation system to provide an inflow of fresh CO2 from the air outside. Distribute the hot air from under the lamps and diffuse moisture from around the plants. Circulating the air will help you keep the temperature and relative air moisture equal throughout the whole of your growing space. You need to make sure your air is not blown directly onto your plants, but just above them. This also creates a current of air that will disperse of any excess warm air underneath the leaves of your plants. The effectiveness of your ventilator also decreases the further away from the plants you place it. For this reason, it is better to use several smaller ventilators than one large one, so that the air gets circulated evenly across the whole of your growing space.